Good morning, guys. Good morning to you all, and welcome back to your own channel, Small Investors and Technicals. Guys, those who are new on my channel, I like to request you all, please subscribe, and if you like, you can like as well, because this channel has been made for you guys only. And in whichever stock I'm going to get any opportunities, I'm going to share with you all. Okay, so today, I'm going to discuss about the technicals of the Reliance infrastructure, the fresh breakout, why and how. Okay, I have already made a video since last month, and I was discussing about about these stocks. When I bought these stocks at somewhere around 30 rupees, and I gave the target of 38, which has already been filled. Now, this stock has given the fresh breakout, and how I'm going to show you on the charts. Guys, you can see that I have just drawn a trend line, and you can see this candle. I have just opened the daily chart. This daily chart candle is a strong candle. You can see the volume. There is no wick up and down, right? It's a kind of a bullish Marubozu. And at this moment, I'm just going to discuss about the weekly chart. You can see this pattern is called inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it has already given a breakout. You can see the weekly breakout is quite high volume, and it is confirming that this trade, this stock is going up for sure. Okay, and according to this pattern, the first target which is coming around 58 rupees. Okay, so I will just you know according to me, what I personally think, that when you will get this 35 level, 35.20 to 35.50, you can buy this stock. You can put the stop loss of this just like 25.50 on a closing basis, and the first target will be this. The first target will be 58, sorry, yeah, this one 58, and the second target will be 78. So I suggest you, if you will get this 58 target, according to me, which you all should be getting this within 1 month or within 1.5 month. Okay, and after that, you can book that stock as well as a profit, and in coming days you will all will see how this stock is going to perform. And another thing is that those who have holding of this stock, they can just wait and hold for till 58 levels. The strongest breakout already came, and I have already told you the what should be the buying level. So guys, those who are new on my channel, I like to request you once again, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please like as well, because I will always be coming up with all the opportunities in any kind of stocks or commodities, and I'm going to share with you. So thanks for your time, keep safe, and have a nice day. Thanks.